can't get in. I'm too fat. Oh, breathe in. It's a hot tamale today. Oh, it's a hot tamale in the soup today. Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of The Fluffy Unicorn. Now my name's Haley and this is my gorgeous dad Nick. My name's Nick and this is my gorgeous daughter Haley. And this is our best friend Fluffy. Fluffy! Wake up! Fluffy! Sleep. Listen, she's snoring. Let's scream to her here. Alright, on the count of three, let's wake her up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Fluffy!
What's up, guys?
Fluffy, wake up. We need your help because today we're going to be making this incredible new cloud slime. This pink, fluffy, awesome slime. And you know what? We need a very special ingredient from you.
Okie dokie.
You know what it is?
I know what it is.
That's right, but we won't tell the audience yet. We'll tell them at the very end what the special ingredients is. This isn't your everyday cloud slime. Because this cloud slime can do something incredible. You ready? Yeah. All right, show them, Haley. That's it. What? How's it doing that? That's incredible. That is amazing. Look at that.
So cool.
So cool. Now, if you want to learn how to make floating cloud slime, stay with us and we're going to show you how it's done. Should we move Fluffy?
Yeah, she's taking up a bit too much
Just
space.
move over there, Fluffy.
Come on, Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Don't worry, she's still sleeping.
Oh, she's still sneaking. It's okay. So this is our cool cloud slime. So what we need for today's episode is this stuff here, which is
White glue.
white glue. White glue, not clear glue. You'll see it soon. White glue, shaving cream for my sensitive skin. Our magical liquid, which is our cool activator, which we need. And we're going to make some pink, because pink's our favourite colour, of course, isn't it?
And we're trying to make it exactly like this.
So we're going to be using some pink pigment. And just to give it a little bit of sparkle and shine, we're going to be using some glitter. And this in here, what's this for? This is going to be our magical floating ingredient. And I'm going to show you how to get that later. It's great. All right, first step.
The glue.
Can I do the honours, please?
No, my turn.
Okay, you're done. All right, a big juicy batch of cloud slime coming up.
Whoa. Should we make a big one?
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh. Oh no.
Okay.
Mom's not going to be happy.
All right, next ingredient.
A Pokemon.
Oh, can I give it a little tap on the bottom?
Yes. Nicholas!
I can't help it. Look at that. Can you see that? All right, now we need a little bit of glitter.
Done.
Right, a little tap.
Oh, I love this glitter.
How much should we put in?
Keep going.
All right, that's enough.
Yeah.
All right.
We don't want to waste the glitter.
Mix it, baby.
Ooh,
You've forgotten one ingredient.
What?
When you're mixing. Got to mix it with your whole body, baby, because if you're not mixing with your whole body, you're just not doing it right.
Oh.
That's it. That's it. Oh, look at it.
I think we need a bit more pigment.
All right.
To be honest.
Yep. All right. This is an exact science. You just got to use your imagination. And if you need more,
You need more.
you need more. I just want to play with this slime.
All day?
Hulk smash.
I'm scared.
All right, next step is...
Alright, look at this, guys. Wow.
Yeah, it's looking...
And we wanted a nice light colour.
Yeah, it's looking perfect. You ready?
Yeah, baby.
All right, baby. Should I do a long paw?
Yeah.
Right. Long paw.
Okay, that's good.
All right. Long paw. All right, here it goes. Should I put on the turbocharge?
Yeah.
Turbocharge coming up. Ooh, getting a little bit hot now, my dear.
That's why I rolled on my sleeves already.
All right, still a bit. If we look, it's looking.
Let me touch
I
it.
don't know.
Let me touch it.
Is this? No.
That's still glue,
Still,
man.
all right, still glue. All right, I'll put it. No, don't do that now. I've got to. Oh, put up your nose. Put up your nose, you big buffet. No, that's my shave. That's what I use to shave.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. I need a bit of a shave.
You do. You're getting all white.
What do you mean?
On your bed. What? Pick up.
She's saying that I'm old
Yeah.
because I've started to get a few white hairs.
It's 88.
You know who else has white hairs on their beard?
Who?
Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho!
And you love him?
Merry Christmas!
You just might be looking at the real thing. All right, here we go. All right.
That's good.
Okay, you get it. Do you want to get it at the bottom or the top?
Top.
All right. You know what it kind of looks like? Candy. You know what this is? Fairy floss slime. Yeah, we call it. That's what we should call it. Trademark. Fairy floss slime. You know, when we go into business together and we're just, you know, mass producing this. You know what we need to help mass produce that slime? Oompa Loompas. Ba loompa loompa dee dee.
I've got another song.
For you. If you want wise, you listen to me. What do you get when you guzzle down slime? A pain in the head and an IQ of 5. Now, it's nearly time for this part.
That's just a
Da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Do it with me, baby. When my baby smiles at me, I go to Rio.
Terrible singer.
Nero. Okay, come on. All right.
Alright,
You ready?
spread it out.
Here we go.
Hey, first you have to spread it.
Spread it out. This is the next step. This is good. This is looking good. Now, you ready?
Yeah.
Long paw?
Yeah.
Long paw.
Be careful not to get it everywhere.
What do you mean? Oh. Oopsie. Oh, no. Not on my face. I know how to get it off. There, all clean.
No.
All, am I clean?
No.
Alright, now try again. Hang on. See,
Oh,
see, slime's multi-purpose. If you rub it on your face, it takes all the... How about now? Am I clean? Okay. Ah, Haley, you're a terror. What possessed
No,
you?
I popped it.
What possessed you to do such a thing? To your poor daddy.
I can't.
I got it in my eye. It stings. Ah!
This isn't as worse as me.
What happened?
It popped.
What happened to her?
No.
That's slime. What did we do?
No.
Come on, we can fix this. We can fix it. What do we need to do?
Activator.
Activate.
Get it.
Okay, there we go. All right, what happened? What have we done? Do we need more glue? No?
No.
No, okay. Can we save it? Can we save it?
Guys, this turned out to be a terrible slime. Yeah, I'll make you more.
You can't see it because it's...
I'll make you more.
I don't need any more white hairs. I've got enough white hairs on my face. See, that's why they're white. They're not really white. They're just white because of the shaving cream. Okay. You are a nightmare. You're supposed to be helping me make slime, but instead I keep getting all over my face. Make me want to scream.
No, you got it on your
Where? Right here. Ah! No more. No more. I'm getting no more. All right, how's it looking? All right, and it's nearly ready for our secret ingredient. All right, should we do a stretch test? Stretch test? Oh, it's too sticky.
What is it?
Okay.
One.
You gave me a bad piece. You gave me. What'd you do? Okay, let's try it. Stretch test again. Here we go. Stretch test. Go. Look at this. Yes. All right, you have it. You have it. All right.
Oh, shaving cream.
Yeah, we need more activator.
No shaving cream.
All right.
Getting rid of that sauce.
Okay, bit more shaving cream.
I want to do it.
Do it. Thank you. A bit more activator.
No.
All right.
Open it.
Yeah. There you go. Nice one, sauce. All right.
Shut long pole.
Long pull.
There we go.
What that looks like right now. It's like no, don't even think about it. No more.
Yes,
You're a bad influence on all those beautiful little children that are watching you. They're going to be like, I'm going to get my dad with some slime and hit him in the face. Oh, you're being a bad influence on the kids. You've got to set a good example. No more.
Yes,
No more. I'm going to activate mine a bit more. All right, let's get Fluffy back up.
It's my glitter ball.
Okay, guys. So we've made beautiful cloud slime. See it? It's like it's soft. It's fluffy. It feels great.
It's got lovely
But-
glitter in
It won't float in the air like a cloud, right? Because we haven't added one special,
Key
super
ingredient.
important key ingredient. And that is, well, we need to get Fluffy back up to show you.
Yeah.
Get her back up.
Here she comes.
Here she comes.
Hello, everybody.
It's all right. No, she's awake. Wake up, Fluffy. Yep, she's back. All right.
Now she's good.
So, what?
Hello, everybody.
Now, the only thing that will make cloud slime float and levitate in the air like a cloud is unicorn fluffies. That's right. You have to get a unicorn fluffy and capture it in the jar, and then you put it in the slime and it makes it float. All right. So,
I'll hold the tail out.
you hold the tail out. All right, Fluffy, are you ready?
Okie dokie.
All right. Now, when I say on the count of 3, I need you to do a big fluffy so I can catch it in this jar. All right?
Okay.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Got it. Look.
You can't see it though.
Look at that. Yeah, you can see it inside. Look really closely. See it? Now all we're going to do is we get our slime, take a piece off. We can just use this one. Right. Take a piece off, Haley. Now, the trick is you don't want to let the fluffy out. No, you hold this. You don't want to let the fluffy out because it'll just vanish. So you have to get the slime. You have to do it really quick. Ready? Okay, so I'll take off the lid, and on the count of 3, you got to put it on top, okay? Ready? On top of the lid. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, good. Trapped it. Now, tip it upside down, like so, and then you've got to give it a good whack on the top. Because you're whacking in the fluffy into the slime, you see? It activates it. Keep whacking. Whack, 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 whack. Good. Sit back down, let's have a look. Take Fluffy off the table.
Alright, Fluff. Now you can go back to sleep.
Oh, sorry, Fluffy. Okay, so we're...
doing that to poor Fluff.
Oh no, poor Fluff. We do love her. Okay. Alright, now let's just see if it's ready. You ready? Okay. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Hold that. Okay. You ready?
This is incredible.
Whoa, look at it go. That is incredible. That is how we make the most incredible levitating slime in the world. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of the Fluffy Unicorn. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, have lots of fun with your best buddy. You. Alright, have fun with your best Fluffy Unicorn, and we'll see you next week for another episode of the Fluffy Unicorn.